All right, this lesson is on slopes. Slope is the steepness of a line with respect to some horizontal surface or horizontal line. The slope, the general definition for slope is rise over run, and the symbol that we use for slope is a lowercase m. It's important to identify whether the slope is going to be positive, negative, zero, or undefined. If the line goes up from left to right, it's positive. If the line goes down from left to right, the slope is negative. All horizontal lines have a slope of 0, and all vertical lines, the slope is undefined because the line has rise but no run. Anytime you have 0 in the denominator, that fraction is said to be undefined since you cannot divide by 0. For this example, what we want to do is count the number of spaces to get from one intersection point on that line to a point on the right. Always go from left to right. We count 11 spaces from the bottom point to the top point, and then from left to right we count 9 spaces, so the slope is 11 over 9. For this problem, again, we identified 2 points on the line that intersect the grid lines of the coordinate plane, and we always work from left to right. For this one, we are going down 3 units to get to the bottom point, and we're going to the right 6 units. So, and it's negative because the line is going down from left to right. So the slope is negative 3 over 6, which once we simplify it, we get negative 1 over 2. Now, if instead of a graph we're given 2 coordinates, we can instead use the slope formula in order to calculate the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points. So if we're given these 2 points, we're going to take the second y coordinate, which is negative 5, minus the first y coordinate, negative 8, over the second x coordinate, negative 14, minus the first x coordinate, negative 7. Negative 5 minus negative 8 is 3. Negative 14 minus negative 7 is negative 7. And so our slope for that line is going to be negative 3 over 7. Another example, to find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 coordinates, we're going to again use the slope formula. We're going to take the second y coordinate and subtract the first y coordinate over the second x coordinate minus the first x coordinate. 9 minus 15 is negative 6. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, and we can simplify 6 over 4 to 3 over 2. So the slope of this line that passes through these 2 coordinates is 3 over 2.